Hi guys, I thought I'd bring to you all today like a cute little crafting video, something really like simple, easy and nice to make. These little, can't remember what we called them, calming jars, except they're in cute little like bottles and such forth. So basically what they're good for is presents. If you suffer from a lot of anxiety, stress, because it has glitter in them and little floaty cute fun things. Give it a shake and then you sort of just watch as all the little parts slowly go back to the bottom. Today I'm going to show you how to make these because they're fun, they're nice, they're just like a nice decoration. First up, here's the selection of things you may need. Obviously you can change some of these in and out with other things that you may prefer. I have a huge selection of glitters. I have some string to help block the top of any open jars. Also same with some earbuds. I have lots of different shapes of glittery greatness. I have candles as well to help seal the tops of the bottles. And I also use baby oil that you could swap out for water. Tiny little crystals from very old bracelets, and it helps sort of mix up the insides of it quicker and easier. I'm going to show you how to do things like this. I have a couple of ways to do it. So I've got a couple of little jars, because you can do them with jars and keep their lids. And I'm also going to use this, which I already started a little while ago. I'll show you how I plug the top, but it's not a jar. And this was like, you can get smelly like reed diffusers. So this is basically the bottle of that. Here we go. I'm going to start off with one of my jars. I also made a little cone out of paper to pour things into jars, because glitter goes everywhere. So I'm going to start with some big sort of chunks. You can have these little stars. They're quite multi-coloured, so I might use a mixture of different kinds of glitter. Obviously, depending on the size of the bits of glitter you put in will depend on if it will fit through this, and also the top of the lid may make it easier to just put stuff in that sort of way. I'm also going to do two at the same time. Put these back in my little bag. I'm a bit of a hoarder when it comes to like small weird glittery things. I think these little stars came from a birthday card or something along those lines, and I just kept them. And some of my glitter here I've had for probably 15 years or so. And this has sort of been my only way of, you know, putting some use to them. So this one I'm going to put some these little purple glittery hearts. Put those in there. I might go with like a glitter, like purple, pink theme for this one, then more of a multicoloured for the other one. Try not to put too much in, because it does sort of clog up the actual niceness of shaking it about. Okay, so I have a selection of very old glitters I'm going to use first. I also have some pink stars I'm going to throw in with the purple hearts. Not too many though, I want more purple hearts. I have some pink glitter that literally looks like sugar. Looks like a Lush lip scrub. So, dump a decent amount of that in there. There is some more of a slightly different colour. And I'm going to use the rest in this one. I can chuck out this pot now. I think a lot of what I try to do is I try my best to recycle everything I possibly can. My family are kind of just like that. So it's kind of a compulsion for me to sort of keep hold of everything until I use it, because just in case, like, you never know. And so I think I found like quite a good way to start using these things. I do use my glitter for like face glitter at parties and stuff like that. But I don't, you know, need face glitter that much. So this is like these are my newer glitter pots. They say paint glow on the front. I don't really know, I've never really heard of them. These were a gift a while back. I think these were Christmas gifts. Can't remember. So I'm going to go with like a huge mixture of different colours for this one. Oh, that still hasn't actually got the name off. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, I think that would be enough glitter for this one. I'm going to find some more like shapes and chunks and stuff for it though. I have a bit of purple to put in, which also hasn't had the thing taken off. If you can hear screaming, that is my housemate. It's like the one time I make a YouTube video, apparently I'm important. I'm going to put a couple of little chunks of crystal in them too. So with my pinky purple one, I'm going to put some little chunks of amethyst. And with the other one I'm going to put some little chunks of jade to keep the colour a little bit. Keep our themes going. It's everywhere. Okay, so I use baby oil for these. I did once do these a while ago with water and it had glitter glow and stuff. I don't feel like it worked that well. So I tried baby oil. It seems to work reasonably well. And I mean, it's not too bad when you've also only got, sorry pardon me, got little tubs to fill. But you can put like all sorts of items in these. Whatever you really fancy. I like to make crafts, like just in general, to help my brain. Oh, that's gone all over the place. I find being creative helpful for my brain. I'm sure lots of people also feel the same way. Here we go with both of these. can see all the hearts stuck to the bottom. I'm going to fill these up a bit more. Yeah, so part of like me actually making these things is for my mental benefit, also because I do like hand making presents for friends of mine, and I'm poor, so I don't really have the luxury of buying everyone I want to buy presents for, like actual presents or expensive presents. A lot of my presents come from charity shops or jumble sales or even my own stash of things. I am a hoarder and I have been trying my best to clear out a lot of things. And sometimes I realise, hey, like I'm not going to use that anymore, but I know someone who would like to use something like that. I'll try and wrap this up quickly of trying to show you how to plug like quite big open tops. Some of them, like tiny bottles like this, you can use an earplug and then use candle wax over the top. There was another one I did where I used some rope, it's not rope, string, there we go, here I am. But actually, I might use a little bit of glitter, because that fits quite well. Just need to fill it up and then stick it down. Now that's filled up, I'm going to light my candles. Put that in the top, I think. And I basically just have to wait for some wax to melt and I'll pour it on top. So I'm going to carefully line the edge of where the lid, which is the like edge. Oops, I pushed it a bit too aggressively and it's overflowing. And well, that's pretty much the basics of it. You can, I don't want to shake it too much because I've already just set the candle wax and it's still overflowing. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe. I am very sporadic with my videos. Help. I try to make videos regularly and I will do a mixture of things because I don't know how to stick to one hobby. Anyway, thanks for watching and maybe I'll watch some of my other videos. I don't know which way it is. One of these directions is my recommended what's next. Bye.